guys, this guy's the real deal. You know, I'm a regular person just like you guys, and I definitely recommend Pinnacle Credit Repair and Andre. He's definitely gonna take care of you guys.
Hi, Aaron. How's it going? Can you hear me? Oh, you're on mute. So you might want. Okay, there you go.
Hey, what's going on?
Awesome. Good to see you.
Nice to see you too.
Yeah, awesome. Awesome. Okay, cool. Thank you for having this meeting. Um, yeah. Okay. Yeah. So I think we talked yesterday. We talked about your case, and you've been a client of mine for some time now.
Yes,
For
sir.
this past year or
Yes, sir.
before.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
It's been about probably about 8 months.
8 months. Okay. So since the beginning of the year, January, then. All right.
Yeah,
Okay. Awesome. So, I'm sure there's a lot of people that are curious about our service. So I wanted to hop on this call with you to kind of like, you know, give light on the things that we do here and maybe some things about your progress that could help other people.
right.
Um, so since the beginning, how has been working with us?
It's been good, man. I heard about you through YouTube for a long time. I was searching for a reliable company, man, to help me with my, you know, progress with my credit. And I seen you. I found you on YouTube, and I was like, man, this guy seems very, very honest. And your background. You talked about your background on your video, and I was like, yeah, this guy's the one. I trusted you. And when I reached out, you're very clear on what you can do for me, and I signed up.
Okay, great. Yeah. That's great. Thanks for checking out the channel. We're getting a lot more views than recent years on the channel, so that's good. So
Yeah,
you didn't work with me one on one. You worked with my staff, right? You
right,
joined the
right.
Fast Track Elite program. I think it's like $299 and $99 a month,
Yes,
and you saw results, right?
yes. So within the first 3 months, because with these whole credit disputes, I just want the people to know and have the patience. When we do these disputes, it takes 30 days for us to even get a reply. And sometimes it might take a second round, third round, and I just want the people to understand you have to be patient, and this is just how the credit repair works, dealing with the credit bureaus. But for sure, I had we had a game plan. You're very clear on the game plan on where my credit report was at, what was on it. And within the first 3 months, I had a $10,000 collection with Cons and the Cons furniture place, and you were able to get it off within the first 3 months.
Nice. I'm
Yes, sir.
glad.
That was a big win for sure.
We still have more to go. That's good. Yeah. Do you have any questions for me? Anything else you want to share with people? I'm sure there's a couple of things. You have some things remaining on your file, right? We're still working out. I think we upgraded you to work with me one on one. Yeah, guys.
Yes, sir.
So if you join the Fast Track Elite, the standard program, which we call now, I'm discontinuing that program because yeah, we're discontinuing it. So now you can only work with me, either that or join like a private group where you pay monthly. And in the group, you're pretty much DIY it yourself. I'll teach you and provide you support, but you know, um, we're gonna just continue that. And I want people to become more educated on credit. So I want to offer a service that is more hands-on for our customers and future customers, so they can actually do the work themselves, but have the support, have the team to back it up. And I want them to be hands-on because you have to master credit. You have to know the stuff. And
Yeah.
Basically, it's a credit coaching educational platform. It's a private group where we will give you all the tools you need to be successful. There will be some assistance. We could hop on a call. You get 2 calls a week in the private group, and we give you the support that you need, and you could talk to other members in the group. And a lot of the stuff you can pretty much do yourself. And once you learn it, you master it. And then it's not just removing negative items, it's building the profiles up. So that's what we're rolling out now. I'm having guest speakers from other credit repair companies join this group and teach people alongside with me. But you're working with me one on one, so we're gonna do a lot for you. What's
Yes,
your
sir.
what's your credit score now?
Well, the last time I checked, well, I get an updated report like in a few days with because I use the My Score IQ to keep up to date with my credit score. But I know on Credit Karma, I know they pump it up a little bit. On Credit Karma, it's 736, 750. But when I get that recent report, I know for sure I made it to the 700 club for sure, which is also a big win. Working with you guys because I started off in the 500s, man. So I
Did you,
mean, I just also want the people to know that you have to do your part as well. These guys are going to come in and help you and assist you, but you got to maintain those, on time payments and just make sure you're doing what you need to do to help your credit score.
Absolutely. I have a question. Could you text me my cell, your Credit Karma info? Let me.
The login info
Yeah, just text it to me if you can.
right now.
Sure. I don't.
I think if you go back to the text messages, I updated you the
Oh, I got it. I got it. Yep.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Let me. Do you
that'll
mind
get you
if I
in.
show just your score?
Yeah, yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah, I've been showing it off, man. That's a major win for sure. Like I said, I mean, because we got goals out here, man. People are overpaying for things, and it's just unnecessary. You got to be, financially educated on this type of stuff, man. Credit is important. When you're trying to get a car, you're trying to get a loan, you're trying to, get a house. I mean, you got to have a good score. I think people just, you got to be responsible.
Yeah, and that's one of the things that we do here is we're working on is to understand our clients' finances and help
Yeah,
them budget and really get to know what they're dealing with and be just a second professional opinion that could really help them because a lot of people they have credit and they're managing it the wrong way. They're carrying large balances.
right,
That's not good. You want to always keep your balances low. You can max out your cards if you're making good income, like if you're a business owner or if you have uh, excess income and you want to rapidly grow your credit card portfolio, which will ultimately increase your score to 850. People that with an 850 score, they have like $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 credit cards, like probably $80,000, $60,000 of overall credit.
right,
And people want to get into business credit. So if you have good income, um, then that's what I'd recommend. I'd recommend you max out the card, then pay it down as quickly as possible and do that before the closing date of the billing cycle. And then that
right,
will trigger the credit card companies and the banks to trust you more and then see that you actually have the borrowing capacity to be extended more credit.
hmm,
And as you know, a big calculation of your FICO score is your payment history, but more importantly for this conversation, the credit utilization and the overall credit that you have. So if you are getting high limits and making sure that the high balance is not reported maxed out, and the only way to do this is to make sure you pay off that credit card that you maxed out um, 5 days before the closing date of the billing cycle, which you'll find on the statement. This right here is a hack. most people don't do it because they forget about it or they haven't heard about it. But this simple thing can take your credit to the next level. But here's the problem. A lot of people don't have excess income. And if they were to max out their card, their income wouldn't support to pay it off. So, in a situation like that, like I said, this is what we do. We help you manage your credit and finances. You have to know about your finances so we can help manage your credit better. You can't do one without the other. I would recommend keeping your credit card balances low. Like, let's just say you had a fixed income, or if you were W-2 employees, W-2 employees only get paid the same salary every month unless they get a pay raise, which, it wouldn't be much anyway. Let's just say you're in sales and you sell something, you make a big commission, and one month you have a lot of money. Well, if you have the ability to take control of your income and increase it, then I'd recommend maxing out the card, paying it before the closing date. But if you're a W-2 employee, don't do that. That's dangerous. Just keep your utilization low and maintain it, and then wait time. And then after 3 to 6 months, ask for a credit limit increase, and then make sure that you adjust your balance in accordance to the credit limit increase. I'd say keep your balance always below 10%. That way your credit score is good. If your financial situation changes later on, then like if you have a business, then you want to get business credit. Or even if you don't have a business, let's say you drive Uber or whatever, you cut hair, you can have a business and you can open up a LLC and an EIN and you could get business credit. You can definitely do that too. I would recommend that also because when you borrow against your business credit, it's not going to lower your score. Notice how you max out your credit cards, the score goes down. That's a drawback.
Right.
So if you do
Right.
that via business credit, which we can help you do, you won't be affected by that. All right, guys, this is the score that we were talking about. Like I said, when you started, your score wasn't like this. I'm going to show it on camera here. This is it.
Yes. It's blurry for some reason.
Where maybe it's Skype. Okay, let's show it better here. It's my camera. It's let me change the. Does that help? Okay.
No, it blurs just the camera itself. I mean, your phone for some reason.
Do you see it now?
A little bit. So that's scoot back slowly. You can see it.
Well, what I'll do is I will.
About right there. You can kind of see it. If you can see good, you can see it.
What about there?
Yeah, it's clear. It's just small. I don't know if the people can see it. It's right. You got no. You got a setting on there where like it blurs right there. We got 736 with the what is it, TransUnion and Equifax 751.
Yep. Yeah, I'm just using my digital SLR here. That's why, and it's doing that. Okay, cool. So it's at 736 guys and 751. He's been in our program for like 8 months.
Yeah.
And now it's just a matter of managing it. So my goal for you next is what a lot of people don't, what a lot of people fail to focus on is the potential for going back to where they started or worse. So it's best to set up your credit report so you don't repeat the same mistakes and protect yourself from doing that. So it's about having a credit card building strategy and management strategy. So yeah, we just have a couple things for you to remove. I believe some closed accounts and late payments and stuff. But for the most part, you're looking pretty good. I'd say after we get those two things off, you'd be probably where you're at right now. You're at 751 here, 730. So probably 770, 780 around there. Yeah.
Right. Looking good, man. Major flex for sure.
Yeah, 730s, 750 is okay. Your FICO score is probably lower. but that's okay. We'll build it up to 800, 850. In order to do that, we'll need to get the remaining things. There's a couple of things on here that we got to remove,
Mm-hmm.
and that's what I would do before applying for any credit cards right now. You have just one inquiry. We'll get that removed, and then by the time we get those two accounts remaining, I think there's two. Then you can apply for some credit cards and get those credit cards and manage them correctly. And then your score will go up because you'll have a higher available credit limit. Right now, you just have your Capital One Discover card, right? So
Yes.
Capital One's like $1,000 limit. So we got to get you up to like 30K in credit,
Yes, sir.
and you to only use 10% of that. So most likely we can help you do that. You've never burned bridges with Chase, right?
No.
American Express,
No.
Citi.
No, sir.
Do you have any family, friends in the military?
I do.
Okay. Family, relatives?
Yeah, yeah. Yes, sir.
Almost all of my clients do. Somehow, some way. That's amazing. Okay,
Yeah.
so I would recommend Navy Federal, Credit Union, USAA. These are really good, especially if you want to finance vehicles later on. They give some of the best financing for auto loans, and they have some really good credit card products. I'd highly recommend. These are like premium credit cards and good things to work with. So that's
Yes,
what
sir.
I'll work with you on.
I actually have I have Navy Federal and I have PenFed. Because again, I've heard that they're really good when it comes to credit lending. So I'm like, yeah, I definitely want these people on my side. So I do have accounts with them. I just right now my goal, I don't want to apply for any cards at the moment.
Okay.
I'm trying to have access to a loan because I'm gonna build my home. So
Home loan.
that's
Okay.
yeah, so that's where I'm trying to obtain first, and then after that, for sure, I'm gonna be getting these high limit credit cards and managing them properly, and obviously leveraging them.
I don't see the Navy Federal. I just see three accounts.
Oh yeah, I don't have credit cards with them, but I bank with them.
Oh, you bank. Okay, even better. That's great. Then you can get credit
Yeah.
cards. I'd recommend. Um, are you? Oh, okay, never mind. It's connected. Okay. Oh, home loans. Yeah, I'm really good at home financing. So if
Okay.
you want me to hook you up, I can get you some really good financing. That's my alley. That's my
Okay.
partner. He handles that. And guys, yeah, if you're trying to
Okay.
get business funding or financing for a home, BA loan, or 30-year fixed or ARM, whatever, we're really, really good at that real estate funding. So we can take care of you there as well.
Okay. That's nice to know. That's nice to know. I didn't know that.
You're in Texas, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, perfect.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great, cool. Well, I think that's pretty much it. I just wanted to give you guys like a taste of what it's like to work with me. Obviously, this guy has worked on my smaller package of the standard program, and we're still getting results for our clients. Now he's upgraded to work with me one-on-one. So congratulations! I'm going to give you a lot more attention now and build this profile up. And yeah, for a lot of you guys curious, check us out. You know, uh, this is a real case study. I showed you guys the Credit Karma. He's not an actor. I'm not an actor.
No, no, not at all. This guy's the real deal. You know, I'm a regular person just like you guys, and I definitely recommend Pinnacle Credit Repair and Andre. He's definitely gonna take care of you guys.
Okay, great. Perfect. So do you have anything else to share?
No, that's it, Andre.
Okay.
I'm happy to help.
All right, guys. That's pretty much it. I will end the call, Aaron, and thank you for taking the time
Yes,
out.
sir. Thank you, sir. All right, talk later.
Bye.
Bye.